but have to take shots now.
Here's Vic. He's going to
it's going to be picked. Oh my God, no way. Let's go.
Late touchdown.
How did that happen?
That one should just about put a capper on this game. Might be seeing that one on the highlight shows tonight. I have no idea how I just did that. Here in the fourth quarter to take the lead.
There's nothing like being aggressive, preaching that to your team.
That's
and
insane.
Then following through, all the way through.
I thought I was going to be 0-6.
Been a great game, and
then it got deflected, and my Italian caught the winning touchdown. Holy shit.
Tonight's final score, Giants
wow.
21.
Well, going into the final play of this game, they knew
I got
that they
so
needed
lucky.
some type of a miracle there at the very end, but they couldn't get it done. However, we were treated to really a spectacular
Wow, it's crazy.
affair.
Even though they didn't finish it off, you're exactly right. They took us down to the last play.
That's crazy, bro.
I don't even know how I did that. Like, it got deflected, and it went on Gonzalez, and I won. I got lucky. I thought I was going to lose that game for sure.